So friends, let us start with special valuation rules. Section 15 subsection 4 of CGST Act 2017 empowers government to draft special valuation rules to determine valuation in special cases. So accordingly, government has given two special rules under section 15(5). These are two notifications. Through notifications, marine transportation, that is ocean transportation and construction of building valuation has been given, and under this section rule 31A and 32 has been given, and under this section rule 33 to 35 has been given. So what is this rule 31A? It is the value of supply in case of lottery, betting, gambling and horse racing. Let me tell you friends, rule 31A is the addition to the valuation rules, and it was inserted through notification number 3 2018. Right, this is the notification number, and the date was this 23rd of January 2018. So what this rule says, let me first tell you, observe one thing. Valuation for lottery is given here specifically in clause 2, and valuation for betting, gambling and horse racing has been given in clause 3 over here. Okay, clause 2, valuation for lottery. Let us start. So value of supply of lottery run by state government shall be deemed to be 12% of face value or the price as notified in the official gazette by the organizing state, whichever is higher. So we have to take two values, face value and notified by government. Higher we have to consider, that will be the value of supply, and rate of tax will be 12% for lotteries run by state, and for lotteries authorized by state the rate will be 28%, and other things remain same, face value or as notified in official gazette, whichever is higher. Now what do you mean by run by state and authorized by state? Run by state means lottery not allowed to be sold in any other state. Authorized by state means lottery which is authorized to be sold in other state other than organizing state. Example, if Maharashtra state government is giving lottery, then if it is giving only within the Maharashtra, then it is lottery run by the state. If Maharashtra lottery is available in Karnataka, then it is lottery authorized by state. Hope this is understood. Okay, this is extra thing. Now 3, this is for betting, gambling and horse racing. So the value shall be 100% of face value of betting. So if you are giving the betting of 1000 rupees, so value will be 100% of that 1000, that is 1000 itself, right? So there is clear explanation given over here, and this chart. Let us first understand this chart and then go to clear explanation. So there will be state government, and this state government gives lottery of rupees 1000. I have given this example. So lottery of rupees 1000 to the distributor. This distributor is the distributor of lotteries. Distributor will give 1000 rupee lottery on the full price to the customer, but customer will not pay taxes to the distributor separately, because taxes are not applicable in forward charging mechanism. RCM is reverse charging mechanism, FCM is forward charging mechanism. So distributor is further supplying the ticket, and therefore tax is not applicable on that. See, 1000 rupees is the full price, but through the reverse charge mechanism, distributor will pay taxes on this 1000 rupees. Government will sell this lottery of 1000 at discounted price, say 880 to the distributor. Please understand this. Government will only give at the discounted rate, because lottery of 1000 face value is 1000. If it is given to the customer for 1000, then distributor will not get anything, and therefore say 880 rupees is the discounted price state government is giving. Okay, for example, now distributor will pay GST on RCM to the state government, right? And how do you calculate this RCM? RCM is reverse charge mechanism. Reverse charge, we are speaking about taxes. So the rate will be 12% or the 18%. 12% for state run lottery, 18% for the authorized lottery. and value will be higher of the following. What is the higher of the following? See, face value of the lottery ticket or value quoted by that state through official gazette, right? So value of supply by the state to the distributor will be 100 divided by 112. So this is the formula. We will learn more about this formula in rule 35. Okay, so of the above value, that will be the 12% for state run lottery, or 128 for state authorized lottery. This will be the value of supply to the distributor. Hope this is understood. So how do we calculate this 880? 880 should be calculated through this value. How do you calculate RCM? Through these values, right? If this is clear, let us first understand the explanation. Valuation for lottery is given separately, and valuation for betting and gambling and horse racing is given in this clause 3, right? Section 7 read with the definition of goods under section 252 describes that actionable claim is a good, and actionable claims are out of scope of supplies because it is given in the schedule 3 of section 7, right? Schedule 3 includes actionable claim other than lottery, betting and gambling, right? So schedule 3 includes actionable claim other than lottery, betting and gambling. Please try to understand this sentence, right? So therefore GST is applicable on such supply of services of lottery, betting and gambling, or any of them, right? 100% of betted value will be value of service, that is the clause 3 that we have just seen, and only the state governments are authorized to conduct the business of lottery, not the private persons. This is all about what? Rule 31A. Now there is an illustration example given. Maharashtra State Lottery gives 200 lottery tickets of rupees 100 to Lucky Lotteries Enterprises, Kolhapur, who is a lottery ticket distributor at the state border selling lottery tickets in Maharashtra, Karnataka and Goa. So this Lucky Lottery Enterprises is registered in Kolhapur, is doing business in Kolhapur as well as in Karnataka and Goa. So how to value the supply according to rule 31A, right? So Lucky Lottery Enterprises, how much GST they will be paying? Let us see. Rule 31A is the rule for valuation of lottery tickets. So this is the statement, and value will be higher of these two, higher of face value of lottery ticket, value notified by Maharashtra government. So in this question any notification is not given, and therefore no information available. Lottery ticket is rupees 100 per ticket, and therefore face value will be 100 per ticket. So total face value of the lottery will be 100 into 200 tickets, that will be 20,000 rupees. Now let us start with the calculation of GST payable. For the state of Maharashtra, rate of GST is 12% for lottery run by state government, okay? And therefore total face value will be 100 into 100, because 100 tickets are sold in Maharashtra, right? 100 tickets are sold in Maharashtra. So that will be 10,000 rupees. And according to rule 31A, so 10,000 into 110 100 divided by 112, total consideration will be this much, because if you do this calculation 100 divided by 112, you will get this value. So into 10,000, 8,928.57 will be the total consideration, and GST payable will be this, the difference between these two. Hope this is understood, right? Next, for the state of Goa, rate of GST is 28%, because see, for Goa is authorized by Maharashtra state. That is not a place where the lottery is run by Maharashtra state. Similar thing goes with the Karnataka state as well, right? So 28% in both the cases, because it is other than Maharashtra. Total face value will be 30 tickets of rupees 100, 3,000. Total consideration as per rule 31A will be 3,000 into 100 divided by 128, and total consideration will be this value, 100 divided by 128 into 3,000 rupees. So it will come somewhere around 2,343.75, and the difference will be the GST payable, right? Similar thing goes with the Karnataka state as well. Please go through this, pause the video, right? So rule 32 will be dealt in the next class. Hope this rule 31A is clear. Please go through this chart. This is very easy to understand. I have made this. I have these copyrights. Please do not use it for any other purposes. right? So this is all about rule 31A, which is the insertion by the notification. See you in next video. Please stay tuned. Thank you.